Hello everyone and welcome back to Bitcoin Tips. So today we've got some really exciting news sharing just around the state of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency as a whole. So make sure you stick around all the way through the end of this video to get all the latest information and how you can use this information to look into the future and earn even more with cryptocurrency. So let's dive right in. So starting off here on CoinMarketCap, very traditional start to these videos here. Always like to take a look at what's going on in the market, and that's going to be the entire theme of today's video, because Bitcoin has really just entered a really good spot for the next bull run and or altcoin run in the altcoin market. So what is going on here? Bitcoin, $35,476. As you can see, we are seeing a lot of green. Overall, the crypto market is up 2.5%, almost 2.6% in the last 24 hours. So we've seen Bitcoin spike about 2.5%, Ethereum a little bit further behind, but still up almost 1%. And then coming down a little further here, we see coins like Solana up almost 10% today. Cardano's up almost 5%, and looking at the week, they are up even further than that. So we are seeing coins go up in value very quickly. And the reason why this is so important is because, as we've seen in the past with other Bitcoin bull markets, other bull markets with altcoins and all of that, as soon as we start to see really good returns, good gains on the day or even the hour or the week, you're going to start to see Bitcoin be talked about in more places. Mainstream news networks, different interviews. It's going to be more popular on Google, meaning more searches, more driven content, ads, stuff like that. It all comes together, which means more people are going to be trying to figure out how to make money in crypto, whether it's with Bitcoin or they say, hey, $35,000, I don't have that much. I don't want to spend, parts of it just to get a fraction of a Bitcoin. Well, what other crypto is out there that I can make money on with what I've got in my bank account today? And they may trickle down into Ethereum or even cheaper coins like Solana or Binance Coin, Cardano, Dogecoin, Tron. All of these big tier 2 crypto altcoins that just fall behind Bitcoin, but more or less will go up if Bitcoin continues going up. And that is really how Bitcoin and crypto bull markets get started. Now, of course, all of that is just speculation. If, we don't start to see more conversation around Bitcoin, I'll be pretty surprised, but there is always a chance that that won't happen. But with that being said, there are a lot of other things going on in the financial world that is leading towards this event happening with crypto yet again. We're going to be talking about those here. So, of course, taking a look, we got this, I didn't expect the ad to be there, but taking a look here on TradingView at some of the U.S. financial markets. SPX is the S&P 500 index. As you can see, the last 3 days, we have it set to the day mark here, have been trending up, with today being a good jump. Now, with that being said, what's going on? Why is SPX and the Dow Jones Industrial Average, the DJI, how is that going up and why is it going up? Well, of course, today the U.S. Federal Reserve said that they are going to be holding the rates for interest at the same level, which is great news for the financial market. It means the overall the global economy is doing well. Now, of course, this is all related to traditional financial things, your mutual funds, your ETFs, stocks, bonds, all of that. Not necessarily crypto, but there have been proven connections between what is going on in the traditional financial market and what is going on in the crypto markets. And more or less, when traditional is doing well, so is Bitcoin and crypto. Not tied one-to-one, but this is a great sign. If we start to see some more increase here, that means, people are going to see this going up. Well, Bitcoin's going up right beside it. Why not try and throw some money into crypto as well and make money there too? Now, of course, looking at Bitcoin here at a little bit more detail than what we saw over on CoinMarketCap, this is still the day market. If we go ahead and switch this real quick to, we'll just drop it down to an hour market, you can see that we did have a really good day about a week or so ago on October 24th. This has remained relatively flat, which is nice, but as you can see here, today we broke through up to $35,000, breaking this previous high back on October 24th of $35,192, and we're currently sitting a few $100s above that. So we've broken through that resistance point. Now, again, I'm going to go ahead and switch back to the day marker here, and we can see that we tested this 30,000, 32,000 limit here a while back. This is back in May of 2022. Since then, we've been below this 35,000 mark. Well, we've broken above that, which is great. Our next resistance point is going to be about $40,000. So I fully expect to see Bitcoin head towards that $40,000 mark and test that limit. Whether or not this happens in the next 24 hours or the next week, it's hard to say. And of course, as always with crypto, whether it's a bull market, full steam ahead bull market, no doubt about it, a bear market, there will be ups and downs. We'll see great days like we saw today, breaking through resistance points, but at the same time, we may see a few days of just sideways trading or even a little bit of a pullback. So make sure you factor that in as well. It's not just going to be a straight up motion, but I do have very, very high hopes that we will see at least a test of $40,000 in the near future. And on top of that, as you can see here, I'll zoom in just a little bit, we are seeing some big news articles come out about this $35,000. Solana's sharp altcoin jump, that's leading to an altcoin market. That's still a great thing to be in. We see Cointelegraph here, Bitcoin beyond 35,000 for Christmas, thanks to Jerome Powell for keeping those rates the same. This is great. We're getting bigger institutional news, traditional major media networks talking about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, meaning some of these people who, whether you're buying crypto straight up using whatever exchange, you're earning it through faucets, you're mining, you're cloud mining, whatever it is. But then you've also got the other population, the other half, that are trying to get in on some of the Bitcoin ETFs and some of your more traditional institutional investments. Your Vanguards, your Schwabs, Fidelity, all of them, they're going to be investing in those ETFs that trade and track against Bitcoin, which also helps push that price up even more. So all of this is coming together in a perfect storm to build and start to fuel the next bull market. And of course, we can't talk about the next Bitcoin bull market without mentioning the Bitcoin halving. As you can see here, this is a history of the Bitcoin halving's dates, and we are coming up. April 2024 is the estimated next halving date. Of course, it does depend on how the blockchain is running, but more or less, I would say from middle of March to middle of May, somewhere in there, Bitcoin will halve, meaning the block reward is going to drop down to 3.125 coins per block, meaning mining is much harder. And of course, every single time Bitcoin has halved, there has historically been a bull run after that has happened. Now, of course, we've got all of these other topics that we've discussed in the video today leading to this Bitcoin bull market. But of course, a lot of that is speculation. And of course, this is as well, but there is a proven history with a track record shown here from this great article from Altcoin Investors. Bitcoin 2013, first Bitcoin bull market. As we can see, we had a halving in 2012. It went from $145 up to $1,200 for a total return of 700% between May and December. That is 7 months. 7 months for a 700% return. Find another investment that makes that much money that quickly. This is why people want to get in when a Bitcoin bull market is happening. And with the information we're talking about now, you are already ahead of the curve and can start to plan for it. Of course, we see the Bitcoin bear market. Every bull market is followed by a bear market, which we have been in since the last bull market. We are currently in this stage. Now, of course, this is the 2014 one, but scrolling down here, now again, we've got 2016. We're approaching another halving in 2015, and we see 160% gain, $178 to $463. Now, Bitcoin halves, and we continue to see that increase of another 165%. And then it really takes off for what people really, and myself included, consider 2017's bull run to be when you started to see a lot of popularity around cryptocurrency. Many news networks were talking about it. What's this random investment, this coin online, digital wallets, digital coin that is now worth $20,000? Crazy. This is what I think really put Bitcoin on the map for a lot of the investment vehicles, the ETFs, the mutual funds that are out there today. This bull market really contributed to that. Now, of course, we go into the bear market. You're seeing a little bit of a pattern. If you've been in crypto for a while, you probably remember these. And of course, the run up to the Bitcoin bull run of 2020 increases moderately in value. That is pretty similar to what I would say we are seeing here. $35,000. That's nowhere near an all-time high for Bitcoin. That is 50% off of, or more, most likely more, than the all-time high. That is nowhere near making records. But that's good because we are seeing the pattern again. Now, of course, switching back to here, we see May 2020 Bitcoin halving. We see it go from $8,000 to $39,000 in just a year. Super, super cool. Of course, into 2021, this is where we hit that all-time high of $68,700. Super, super cool. And now, the Bitcoin bear market, 2022 through current day. I could even make the argument that it is no longer current day. We are starting to see this phase here, the run up to the bull market of 2020. Bitcoin halves in 2020. Before then, we start to see a little bit of increase in price. People recognize the pattern. They think, we've seen this happen 2 or 3 other times. Why wouldn't it happen this time? Bitcoin goes up. People are investing in it, preparing for the bull market. We see Bitcoin halve. 1 year later, it's up many thousands of dollars and continues and doubles it again on top of that. This is super, super important. Right now is one of the best, if not the absolute best times to be getting into cryptocurrency. Like I said, whether you are investing with your money, you're just going out, you're buying Bitcoin, you're buying altcoins, whatever it is, or you're collecting from faucets, you're mining, you're cloud mining, however you're getting crypto, you're going out and doing surveys. Right now, the more crypto you can get, the more coins that you can hold, the better off you will be when the bull market does get here. We have seen the pattern. This is pattern round 4. Why is this one going to be any different? All signs point to a bull market coming very, very soon. So right now is the best time to be using faucets. Get that crypto for free right now. I have tons of videos on this channel of tens, hundreds, possibly thousands of faucets that I have used, been getting paid from for free. It's a great way to get cryptocurrency. There are great cloud mining sites out there. There are a few amount of them now compared to what it used to be, but ECOS, that's a great cloud mining site. We've got a great review here on the channel for that one. There are games out there like Rollercoin. There's auto faucets if you don't want to be the one claiming. Dutchy, Final Auto Faucet, Fire Faucet, autofaucet.org. All of these sites are great to build your crypto holdings, regardless of if you're going after Bitcoin, or maybe you don't think Bitcoin is going to be the one to make you rich. That is completely fine. There are thousands of other coins to choose from. I mean, it's crazy how many coins there are out there. You can find any one that you personally believe in, collect it as if you can find a way to get it for free, even if you're claiming from Bitcoin faucets and exchanging it. Get as many coins as you can right now. This is the best time. We are seeing the pattern happen in real time. So I hope this makes you as excited about crypto and the future as it does for me. And if you are interested in learning more ways to collect this crypto, earn this crypto, invest and hold on and just stay up to date in what's going on, make sure you're subscribed to Bitcoin Tips for more videos like this, as well as just how to get more crypto for free. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video informational, useful, and trust me, you are ahead of the curve if you've watched this full video and you really prepare and understand why this isn't just a 2% up in a day. That's great. Of course, we all like to see Bitcoin go up in the green, but this 2%, 2.5% over $35,000 is a much bigger deal. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.